We're logged in as user who has the role administrator. To the list of all active tests within the license, we arrive over the eTest option from the main menu and Manage Tests option from the sub-menu. Clicking on the test name from the list opens the page for test managing. There are several options for editing, deleting, and locking or unlocking the test. There are also two panels with interpretation list and test run list. If the test is locked, the edit button is disabled. If we try to unlock the test, we get a warning message that all the data related to the test session will be deleted. We don't want that, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create the copy of mental test. Now, we can access the edit option by clicking on Edit button. We get the preview of the test structure. And we can edit any part of this structure. By clicking on the category name, we can change category elements, name, description, or default value, for example, category name for root node. Or category description and default value for some other node. We can add a new subcategory within the existing category by clicking on the Add Below button. For this purpose, we will collapse all subcategories and select the root node. By clicking on the Add Below button, we create a new category and have to enter values for category name and default value, while category description is optional. Within this category, we can create the new subcategory in the same way. By clicking on the Add Below button, by clicking on the statement name under category, we can edit the statement. The statement represents the eTest item. Statement as element has three parts: header with basic elements, testimonial element, this is practically question in the test, and testimonials reply, this is the options for answer. These elements can be updated, added, or deleted. If there is more than one element in respective section, they can be reordered by moving up or down within the list. Values for testimonial name, value, and number for responses are mandatory. As testimonials element, we can add text or file. It is allowed only image and video files. As testimonials reply, we can add any of existing replies. Or the user define new value. Any changes needs to be saved by clicking on Save button. We can delete any of these elements. And delete button deletes the entire statement element. Button show displays the statement template in the way it will be shown in the test. We can also add a new statement under the category by clicking on the Add Statements button and adjust it in the previous described manner. Deleting the element from tree structure is possible if that element does not contain inner structure. For example, category 1 item cannot be deleted because it contains inner elements. New subcategory item also cannot be deleted. But statement can be deleted. Now, the new subcategory item can be deleted because it does not contain any inner structure. Exactly the same we can achieve if we are logged in as master user. Option eTest from the main menu, then Manage Tests from the sub-menu, lead us to the list of all active tests for this license from where they can be managed in the same way.